In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your browsing security by adjusting a crucial setting in Microsoft Edge. This straightforward guide will walk you through how to enable the automatic switch to more secure connections. So let's dive in. First things first, open your Microsoft Edge browser. You can do this by clicking on the blue E icon on your taskbar or searching for it in your list of applications. Once Edge is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window, where you'll notice three dots. These three dots represent the menu icon. Click them to open the main menu, which houses various options to manage and configure your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Clicking on this will open a new tab dedicated to your browser's settings. You'll see a menu on the left-hand side with several categories. What you need to do is focus on the category labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. Why this section? Because it contains all the essential options related to your privacy and the services that ensure a safer browsing experience. Once you're in the Privacy, Search, and Services section, take a moment to scroll through and familiarize yourself with the options. But no worries if you're unsure where to go next. You're looking for the Security option, which might be slightly lower on the list. Now, once you've found and clicked on Security, you're getting closer to enhancing your browsing protection. In this section, you'll notice various toggles and options. Our focus is the one labeled Automatically Switch to More Secure Connections with Automatic HTTPS. This setting is crucial because it helps you connect to a website's more secure version, improving both your safety and privacy online. Look to the right of this option, and you'll see a toggle button. If it's not already turned on, go ahead and click the toggle. When activated, the button will change colors, usually to indicate that it's on. Turning this feature on ensures that whenever you browse the web, Edge will attempt to connect you to the more secure HTTPS version of any websites you visit, whenever possible. And that's it. With this setting in place, you've taken a significant step towards securing your digital footprint while using Microsoft Edge. Remember, maintaining a secure browsing experience is crucial, so this small change can make a big difference in protecting your data online. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tricks. Safe browsing.